Nollywood producers have a very unique way of pushing their movies, be it cinema, Netflix, Prime, or even YouTube. This has been going on for a while, and be it dancing, creating, so it differs. Jemima Osunde, Nollywood actress, recently opened up about the fact that she's not willing to be a content creator because she wants to push a movie. According to her, Nollywood producers are now forcing Nollywood actors and actresses to be content creators because they want to push their movies. You have to dance, you have to create content just to push the particular movie. Many other people agree with her. However, just recently, Iyabo Ojo opened up that this tradition or this concept of pushing movies has been in existence for the longest time. It did not just start now. People have been dancing or creating content to push their movies. Just that at the time, social media was not a thing. So what do you think about this? Do you think Nollywood actors should comply with producers, or they should sign an agreement, based off pushing movies via content creating or dancing? Share your thoughts on this. You can comment, like, and subscribe. Just when you think that you have seen enough, or just when you think that you have heard the worst, it keeps getting worse. So comedian Alibaba has revealed or dropped a bombshell in a recent podcast. He revealed that he has caught several wives, I repeat, several wives of his friends and associates having secret affairs with governors and politicians. Now that's a big one. We're not expecting that. He shared the story about seeing one of them, one of these women at the governor's house, only for her husband to later introduce her to him at an event like nothing happened. I mean, he met them that same day. So he said the woman even called him afterwards to thank him. Now, this is not just one woman. He has caught several wives of his friends and associates. That is a big one. This revelation, it's not new. However, it sheds more light about celebrities, about the elite, how they live, and how morality is, draining every day. So kindly share your thoughts. We have this on our website. Comment, like, and subscribe. My name is Augustina with the News Chronicle.